Hello everyone, thank you very much because you choose my channel and you watch my video now. I go today already make for you green juice. This is super smooth. This is also very healthy. This juice, if you already every day you take 1 glass in the morning, I think this is enough for your body. At the end you can have a strong immunity. Because the situation we all together live in it, the whole world fight the coronavirus. We always need in this time now, I think we need in this time now look more about ourselves and our health. Okay, today we go, because I not speak too much in the video, we already can go today, see the recipe together, and also we go. This is simple. I think every house can have this recipe, and this is not much. We can go see this together. Okay, we need to have a little bit parsley, 1 orange, 1 apple, 1 lemon, 1 kiwi, little bit mint, and also ricotta, and also spinach. Okay, and also you need to have blender, and you need to have one like that, because after we make the juice we can make it take everything in it out. Okay, I already go cut this all and I come back for you. Okay, now already I cut everything like that. I cut everything like that, and already I did the mint and everything together here, and I already inside the blender I take everything inside like that. Do it here. We do the fruit first because the fruit juicy, because we not normally not need use water, yeah, but also if we use water little, not much. And also this juice, if you already for your children, also this is just not too sweet. I think for the children can be not like the taste. If you like your children like the taste, you can already do inside like 2-3 spoon honey inside, because we make it a little bit sweet. Okay, I go already mix everything and I bag for you, because the mixer not make a lot of noise. Okay, now I am done. I mix everything inside. We go, how I say this, we go filter the juice. Go filter the juice with this net. I also can do little small water. And start with 1 spoon. Go do it like this. Maybe also I do little water. We can do water, but not do too much, please. Like that, I do something with this whole recipe, like half this glass. Do like that. Do it. Everything extra go out. Now I start use my hands. My hand clean already. Always the Egyptian use his hand. This again, the hands, all this thing. Out, we do like that. Then dry. Okay. Now we do this the extra, this we not need. Now this is our juice. We can that. And also we can take 1 glass and also take this out. This is a new and thank you very much because you choose my video, and I see you next video. And please don't forget to, if you like my video, to subscribe and like, and not forget the bell. And see you next